In this video, I'm going to show you how to add e-payment method. Head to your search or to your settings on the left side corner, and here you will be able to find payments. You can alternatively, let me close this tab. You can alternatively click on search tab and search payments. And as you can see here, you can set up Shopify payments or Shopify payments right here. Going to go back to my settings, payments, and then I can find payments provider. I can click on choose provider, and then I'm gonna be listed with a lot of providers. I can choose a payment method, for example, and base my settings around it. I'm gonna go back, and as you can see here, there's PayPal. Transaction fee is $0. There's manual payments, bank deposits, money order, cash on delivery, for example, for third world countries such as my country. There's payment capture. The customer's payment method is authorized and charged automatically. You can see customer payment method is authorized, or we can have manually, where the customer payment method is authorized at time of their order. You will need to manually capture the payment within the authorization period. You can even choose a provider right here, as I said, for example, Stripe. As you can see, unavailable in my country, as I said, but that's basically it.